Hello and welcome to Developers Diary YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned about the app builder and creation of application. In this tutorial, we shall learn about the page type in the page creation wizard. There are three major page categories. First one is the component page type, second one is the feature, and the third one is the legacy page type. Oracle still support the legacy pages but doesn't recommend to use them. In the page components, the first option we have the blank page. This page doesn't create with built-in functionality. Once it creates, you can create or build region in this page using page designer. Then we have calendar. This page generates with built-in calendar functionality having monthly, weekly and daily view options. Then we have cards. The page contains a feature of information tiles. Developer can choose between three layouts: grid, float, or horizontal row. Then we have chart option. This page contains chart type supported features like area, bar, boxes, plot, and many more. Then we have classic reports. This page is a simple report page based on the formatted result of SQL query. Then we have comments. This page contains the comment region that display user comments and status updates. Then we have content row. This type of page support an icon, title, description, attributes, and actions. Then we have dashboards. Dashboard page have four types of layout in it. After that we have data loading page. This feature allow user upload data directly from a file or copy and paste the data and then upload. After that we have faceted search. This type of page allow user to filter data just like e-commerce website. A left search region and a report region. Then we have form. This type of page enable users to update a single row or multiple row in a table. Then we have interactive grids. In the interactive grid, data is presented to user in searchable and customized report. User can directly change the data in the interactive grid. Then we have interactive report. In interactive report, user cannot change the data directly, but searchable and customized report is available there. Then we have map. The map component consists of background, map, and geometrical objects sourced from your local data. Then we have master data. Master data create a page that reflects one-to-many relationship between two tables in database. After that, we have media list. Media list create a page with media list region which can be used to display content in a list with icon, heading, description and badges. After that we have search page. Search page create a declarative search for an application by creating a search configuration that contains information about your searchable data source. After that you have smart filter. A smart filter page features a single search field at the top of the page and search results report. Then we have timelines. The timeline create a timeline region to display a series of events. Then we have tree. Creates tree to graphical multiple level data and optionally navigate to another page. Then we have unified task list. It creates a page that allow user to view action or edit their approval task. Then we have wizard. Generally, wizards are used for entering data across multiple steps. After that, we have workflow console. It creates two pages in the application, an overview page with all the workflows and workflow detail page that opens when users select a workflow from the overview page. Then we have plugin page. Plugin page enable developer to declaratively extend, share, or reuse the built-in types. Let's discuss the second category. The first option we have push notification. It enable web page to send notification to a user device even though user is not currently on the website. Second option we have about page. This feature describes the application, versions, and count of page. Then we have access control. To manage access control list, this wizard also add a reader, contributor, and administrator role. Activity report. It includes numerical report on for end user activity for your application. Configuration option enable administrator to disable or enable specific functionality in your application. Then we have email reporting. It includes reports on email queued from your application, sent from your application, or error email in your application. After that, we have feedback. It provides a mechanism for the end user to post general comments for application. Then we have login page. Creates a login page which enables the user to enter login credentials. Then we have theme style selection. It enables administrator to select default color scheme for the application. Administrator can also allow end user to choose their own theme style. And the third category is the legacy pages. Oracle still support these pages but doesn't recommend to create any application by using these options. So see you in the next lecture.